Ever generated an AI image and wondered why the text looks broken? Over 80% of people still don't use even half of what the new image model can do. So what exactly are they missing in 2026? The new image model inside ChatGPT feels less like a tool and more like a complete design system built into a chat. Earlier, images were generated in isolation, but now everything happens in one place with context awareness. Conversations, edits, and revisions all stay connected, making the output more accurate. One major upgrade is clean text rendering, which means posters, thumbnails, and UI designs now look usable. Editing has also improved, allowing changes like background swaps and lighting fixes without affecting the main subject. This makes the workflow smoother and removes the need for multiple apps. Instead of starting over again and again, small edits can refine the same image. The result feels more controlled and practical. Feature number 1 is the ability to generate QR codes that actually scan in real life, and this changes how designs are created. Posters, product packaging, and even business cards can include these working elements directly without using external tools. Everything stays inside one workflow, saving time and reducing errors. The placement also looks natural instead of something pasted on top. This is useful for marketing, branding, and even personal projects. Barcodes can also be generated in a similar way for mockups. Many people still don't test this feature properly and miss its real value. A small detail like this can make a design feel more real and functional. Feature number 2 focuses on virtual styling and outfit changes using a single image. A photo can be transformed with different clothes, hairstyles, and looks while keeping the same face and identity. This helps in testing styles before buying anything in real life. It also makes planning photo shoots and content easier. The output feels natural compared to older tools that often changed facial features. Different styles like casual, formal, or festive can be explored quickly. No extra apps or editing skills are needed for this. A simple prompt can create multiple variations in seconds. This makes it both practical and fun to use. Feature number 3 is about converting messy notes into clear and structured diagrams. A rough sketch or unclear photo can be turned into a neat visual with proper labels. This helps in understanding topics without confusion caused by poor drawings. Subjects like science and flowcharts become easier to follow. The model can also simplify complex diagrams into basic formats. This is useful for both learning and presentations. Instead of redrawing everything manually, the system handles it quickly. The output looks organized and readable. It turns unstructured content into something clean and usable. Feature number 4 allows text to be transformed into visual summaries and infographics. Long articles can be broken down into smaller visual sections that are easier to understand. This is useful for social media, presentations, and content creation. Instead of reading long paragraphs, viewers can quickly grasp the idea through visuals. It also saves time spent on designing slides manually. The structure becomes more engaging and shareable. Small edits can improve the output further without restarting. This feature helps in repurposing content efficiently. A simple input can generate multiple visual ideas. Feature number 5 highlights accurate text generation inside images, which was a major issue earlier. Thumbnails, posters, and ads now include readable and properly placed text. This makes the output usable without heavy editing. The layout also feels more structured and balanced. Multiple variations can be created quickly for testing. This is useful for creators who rely on strong visuals. Instead of spending hours designing, ideas can be generated instantly. The process becomes faster and more efficient. Clean text alone makes a big difference in content quality. Feature number 6 improves character consistency across multiple images. A single reference image can be used to create different scenes with the same person. The face and identity remain stable across angles and expressions. This is useful for comics, storyboards, and creative projects. Earlier tools struggled with this and often changed faces completely. Now the results feel more connected and realistic. This allows creators to build visual stories smoothly. The workflow becomes more reliable. One reference can drive an entire sequence of images. Feature number 7 focuses on generating user interface designs and layouts easily. App screens, dashboards, and website sections can be created using simple instructions. The text inside these designs is clear and properly aligned. This makes it useful for quick prototyping and idea visualization. Developers and designers can save time on initial drafts. Even beginners can explore UI concepts without learning complex tools. The designs can later be refined in professional software. This speeds up the creative process. It turns ideas into visuals almost instantly. Feature number 8 allows advanced editing using simple text instructions. Backgrounds can be changed, lighting can be adjusted, and styles can be transformed easily. The main subject stays intact during these edits. Even camera angles can be modified to create new perspectives. This adds flexibility without requiring technical knowledge. Different styles like cinematic or vintage can be applied quickly. The process becomes more idea-focused rather than tool-focused. It makes editing accessible to everyone. A powerful feature with minimal effort. Feature number 9 introduces the ability to create multiple frames for animation workflows. Each frame can show slight movement or angle changes. These frames can be combined later to form simple animations. This method is useful for product visuals and storytelling. The consistency between frames improves the final output. It requires some extra steps, but delivers strong results. This expands the use of the model beyond static images. It adds a motion element to content creation, a smart way to create dynamic visuals. Feature number 10 helps in generating complete slide structures with visuals. Text content can be turned into organized slides with matching images. This reduces the effort needed for manual design. Presentations for education, business, or social media become easier to create. The structure is already planned, which saves time. Small edits can customize the final output. This helps avoid starting from a blank page. The workflow becomes faster and smoother, a useful feature for regular content creation. Feature reactions from well-known figures online show a mix of excitement and concern about the new image model. OpenAI's CEO, Sam Altman, has actively shared and reacted to AI-generated visuals, highlighting how powerful and realistic the outputs have become. At the same time, viral posts from celebrities like Kim Kardashian and other creators have gained millions of views, showing how fast this trend is spreading across social media. Some public voices are impressed by the creativity, while others warn about realism and misuse. Overall, the conversation online clearly shows one thing. This update is getting massive attention from both fans and critics. The new image model is evolving into a full visual creation system instead of just an image generator. It combines generation, editing, and understanding in one place. This makes it useful for different types of users. The simplicity reduces the need for technical skills. At the same time, clear instructions are still important for good results. Some limitations still exist with complex designs. But overall, the improvement in quality and usability is clear. The ability to turn ideas into visuals quickly is the biggest advantage. The tools are powerful, but how they are used makes the real difference. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.